Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a phone number to your PlayStation 5 account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Users and Accounts. Select Account. Now select Security. In Security Settings, select Mobile Number. Click Add Mobile Number. Choose your country code and then enter your phone number. Click Add once done. You will now get an SMS to your mobile with a code. Enter the code on your PS5 to confirm it. Once your mobile number has been added, you can set up two-step verification for your account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.